A very good morning to all of you. In the last some videos, we study about the string chapter. In the string chapter, we see how we can store a string in a variable and all the commands like lan, max, min, replace. This kind of commands we did in last some videos. And string we did theoretical and practically both the things we did in last some videos. Now today we will see some question based on the string chapter. Now let's start. What is the first question? What will be the output of the following programming? Here two strings are defined. First one is your S1 and second one is your S2. S1, what S1 is saying? Welcome to Java programming, and S2 is store S1 dot replace. Look this command second S2 carefully. S2 is equals to S1 dot replace Java and Python. Fine. Now print S1 and print S2. So there are four options. First one is welcome to Java programming and second is welcome to Python programming. In C option, welcome to Java and Python programming, and D is none of the above. Fine. If you see first option is suitable, no. Because S2 is saying here, first of all, you will see you have to print two things, S1 and S2. And in every option, only one statement is printing. Welcome to Java programming, welcome to Java Python programming, welcome to Python programming. Fine. So the option is none of the above. Let's do it practically in the ideally so you will get the output. Fine. Now we will first open the ideally. Now we will write the same program here and we will write S1 is equals to welcome to Java, okay, programming. Now we will just close the quotes. Now we will define the second string S2 is equals to S1 dot replace. As I told you that replace is used for the replace string. Okay, here that here it means that Java will be replaced by the Python. So first string defined in replace command is the string already contained. Fine. And second one with whom we have to replace it. Now print S1, fine, print S2. So you will see here that what it here is. Okay, this we have to one more thing, control C we will replace because okay, there is one. Fine, we will write it shell because control C we will, because here editing is become difficult, so we will write the whole program in the shell. Fine, first we do this. Actually why it's showing the same output, because as you all know, Java is a case sensitive language. Fine, so we will write down Python is a case sensitive. Now we will write print S2. Okay, fine, I hope it's now. We will save it with the name question string replace. Fine, with the replace. Now save it. Now run the module. Now 1 minute, control S, then again replace. Now you will see here when we use the Java here, because in the first programming what we did, we just write down a small v here, so it's not getting with which string we have to convert it. That's why the same statement it get printed in the S2 also. So I changed the, because Python is your case sensitive language, so I change here the same we have to see. Whatever we define in this string, the same word we have to define here. That's why it will not showing the proper output. Now we will see the output when I change this. Okay, this Java is replaced by Python. Fine. So your output is welcome to Java programming and welcome to Python programming. Fine. Now student, let's see the second program. What will be the output of following program? String 1 is equals to hello, string 2 is equals to string 1, and here you will see uh, the semicolon and -1. If you see this, what is written, that means this is the slice operator. You have this this shows that string, you have to operate a slice operator on string 1. Fine. So it will start from the, from at what point it will start? It will start from the hello, because -1. Okay, -1 is this, it's a end point in the slice operator. First one is considered as a start and second one is considered as a end. If start is not given by default, it will started from the first. Find in reverse order the string -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So it will start from -5. Fine. So HELL, it's saying till -1. So it will print HELL. I think we already done this program in the video also when I take your class. So there is no confusion of the output. Fine. Now let's see the third example. Okay. Third example is saying what will be the output of the string? The sum, this is the whole string. Find the sum of 0, b and 1, b and 2b. Format 2 to 4. Find, it's just saying you have to format 2 to 4. Now print string 1. Let's see the options. Fine. Wait a minute, I will show you the options also. I will increase the font. So yeah, the first one is saying sum of 1 0 and 1 0 is 0 1 0. The sum of 2 and 2 is 1 0 0. The sum of 1 0 and 1 0 is 1 0. The sum of 2 and 2 is 4. Which one is true? Now if you see, the C is correct. The sum of 1 0 and 1 0 is 0. How? Let's move back to the question so you will get understood. It's saying that 2 to 4. Okay, you have to format 2 to 4. So 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. So the option is third one. Fine. You can, and you will try it on your ideally also how it comes. So next question is what will be the output of following program? The one string is giving over here. Now it's saying str1 dot count, how many times b will come. It will count that much times in the second. bb1, then bb2, bb3. Okay, so four print statements are given over here. Let's see which one is correct. You have to choose that. First is saying string count bb. Count bb 1 2 3 wait a minute, 4. Okay, 4 times it's coming. So first in the 3 option, if you see, 4 is coming. Fine. Now next is saying str count uh, bb and comma 1. Fine. So if you see bb and comma 1, It's just asking the existence, and existence would be same. Okay, because single BB will you will count. Now again the comma 2, it is saying the after the step of 2 how many BBs are coming first. Okay, then this one is to you have to count, because in a once it's counting a character of 2, 1 2 3. So the option next option is 3, and the 4, and the for 3 also it's 3, so option is 3 here. Now let's see the fifth question. What will be the output of the following program? First, string 1 is defined Python, string 0 in we have to store at string 10j, then print str. If you remember, in the very starting I told you that string are immutable data type. Okay, now you will tell me the output. What will be the output? Fine, just think, if I'm saying that a string are immutable data type, as we already done in your class also, this example, if you see the last videos carefully, so you will do it very well. So a student, it will throw an error, because as I told you that a string are immutable and we want to change it. Instead of P we want J will come. So option is D. It will throw you an error. Next, what will be the output of the following program? Here you will see programming is written over here. For char in S, for loop is here, print char and. Okay, so what will it do is, this is a program for traversing a string. Fine, so it start traversing a string. So first it will traverse P, then R, then O. The output will be a same as it's defined in the string. Okay, so option A will be a correct answer for this. Now, next we will see what will be the output of following program. S is equals to I love world. Fine. Again you will see here for loop is here, but here the range is giving 0 length S, and length S would be the whole length of the string. Find 3. So it will escape the 3 3. Now let's start. It will start from the I. Now it will escape. It will go to the third. So it will print V. After this it will print O. Then after this it will print D. So first option A will be a correct. Now next, let's see the next. Let's see the next. Yeah, the eighth question. Question number 8. What will be the output of the following program? Def count BC word. There is a one function which name is count BC. Find count BC is just a name of that function, and it will count the it have a parameter word. The name of argument is word. It's just passing an argument word. Print word. Fine, it will print the argument word. With the argument word store the value, it will print that value. For BC in word, if BC is equals to, here you will see double equals to is giving, so it's not assigning the value, it's checking. Fine, because double equals to is a comparison operator. Fine, so it's just compare two string, are the two string same or not. Count equals to count plus 1. Now return count, print number of BC, count BC. Now the string is this. You have to count how that is there any BC, number of BCs it have to count. No, there will be the answer will be, what will be the answer? The answer will be 0. You can try it at your ideally. Fine, just write it on your ideally and see what will happen. Now next, how would you print UK for the given list? Here you will see the one list is given, the name of the list is countries, and three parameters are passed in the list: India, USA and UK. Now let's see the option of for this. Countries 2, countries 4, 1, yeah, country 1, both A and B, or only A. If you see here in the program, it's on which position? 2 position, 0, 1, 2. So country 2 will be a right option for this. Fine. So option A will be correct. Now what will be the output of the following program? Here /t/t, 3 times /t is there, then Python /n/n. Now print a dot strip. Find a strip function. We are using a strip function here. Now what will be the output? See here the strip function is used, so it's just strip the space between space. Fine. So the option is C, Python will be a correct answer. Now look at the last question. Which of the following is the equivalent uh, of S semicolon minus 1? So the question is saying which of the following is the equivalent of S semicolon minus 1. Now we have to see the answer of this: the total length of a string, semicolon length of a string, or double semicolon, or semicolon 1. Now what will be the output for this? Now the output for this will be a, because here default value, end value is last value, and start point will is not given. So this will be the correct option. Option C will be a correct. Now I am giving you the exercise. You have to do some true and false, and this is your homework. Fine. You can just write the number 1. If it's true, you can write 3. If number 2 it's false, and I will ask you in the class about all these questions. Okay, so I just pause video here only, and write down these true false, which of one with the answer, or you can send me on WhatsApp also. So if answer of 1 is true, so write down 1 T. Find true, or you want to write full, you can write down. So do these question, do this exercise, and from tomorrow we will see some more question on the string, and then we will start new chapter. Fine. Till time, have a good day and enjoy your day.